Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the most important skill in latte art, steaming milk. If your milk isn't right, your latte art won't be either. So in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to steam. First thing first, before and after steaming, always purge the steam wand to clear out any water or leftover milk. Now let's talk positioning. You want the steam wand just off center, not in the middle. And the tip should be right at the surface, not too deep, not too high. When you turn on the steam, listen for a gentle stretching sound. That sound means air slowly being incorporated into the milk. This is the stretching phase, your building microphone. This part only lasts a few seconds. Now let the milk spin. You want a smooth vortex. This breaks down bubbles and creates that glossy texture. Turn off the steam when the pitcher becomes too hot to hold for more than a second. If you have a thermometer, I personally aim for 130 degrees Fahrenheit. The time it takes depends a lot on your machine and the steam pressure. For 250 milliliters of milk, it can take anywhere from 12 to 25 seconds. Can't give you an exact number on this. In my opinion, consistency is the #1 skill a barista needs to develop. And I don't just mean consistent practice, I mean consistent milk, you know? When your milk is the same every time, your hands learn the rhythm, your patterns become predictable, and it's just easier. Position, rotation, and sound are the 3 cues that matter most. When your milk becomes consistent, everything else falls into place: hearts, rosettas, tulips, all of it. It's the closest thing to a real shortcut in latte art, and ironically, it's what most beginners overlook. I know you've probably watched dozens of videos on how to steam milk, trying to find the one method that finally clicks for you. I hope this one helped you get a little closer. If this was useful, share it in the comments. I love hearing your feedback and helping this community grow one video at a time. And who knows, your question might inspire the next video. All right, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.